Did you know there is a black sand beach in Vieques, Puerto Rico? It takes a bit of work to get to, but that's why it's so incredible. Pay attention, because I'm going to show you how to get there. First, drive to the nearest airport and grab a flight to San Juan, Puerto Rico. From the airport in San Juan, jump in an Uber about an hour and head east to Ceiba. Tell the driver to drop you off at the Ceiba ferry terminal. From here, you're going to buy a ticket to Vieques on the Puerto Rico ferry. After a 1-hour ferry ride to Vieques, you're going to grab a taxi and head over to Esperanza. When you get to the laid-back beach town on the south side of the island, you're going to head over and rent a UTV. Drive your UTV to Playa Negra, park your UTV where it says parking. From here, you need to walk about 15 minutes past the sign, through the muddy trail, and past this little guy, past these giant pools of water, and then boom, voila, there you are. You're standing on the wild black sand beach of Vieques with almost no crowds. Go after it rains for darker sand, and don't forget to bring water with you and a towel. I'm SheMamaMaps, and if you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more travel tips like this, helping you travel smarter, not harder. Let me know if this helps you find the black sand beach in Puerto Rico.